Namaskar, this is Supriya Chaudhary studying in second year MA in Hindu Studies in Central University of Gujarat, Vadodara. Do you understand Bharat's ancient knowledge from a 21st century perspective? Come, let me take you to our department.
Namaskar, this is Professor Archana Mahapatra, Chairperson Center for Health, Culture and Personality Development. We are the third university which offers MA in Hindu Studies since 2022, and from 2025 we are offering PhD in Hindu Studies as well. In PG programs, students not only learn the fundamental subjects such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vedic tradition, Natya Shastra, Artha Shastra, Indian sciences, Vastu Shastra, Purana, astrology and many more, but also they learn its application and its contemporary relevance. For developing research orientation among the students, the center has organized 2 international conferences on Hindu studies. After completing post-graduation in Hindu studies, one can build career in academic and research through UGC NET examination. Besides, one can also work in research and civil society organizations. Hindu studies provide an understanding of Indian society, tradition and culture, which is also helpful in UPSC and other state service exams. In addition to this, one can also be professional expert in yoga, vastu and astrology. The unique feature of the center is its students, who are not only from varied disciplines but are also from different states of Bharat.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर आलोक कुमार पांडे स्वास्थ्य संस्कृति एवं व्यक्तित्व विकास केंद्र में सहायक प्राध्यापक के रूप में कार्यरत हूँ। मेरे रुचि का क्षेत्र योग दर्शन, प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा, आयुर्वेद शास्त्र एवं हिंदू अध्ययन है।
नमस्कारः, अहं डॉक्टर धीरेन्द्रः मिश्रा, अहं स्वास्थ्य संस्कृति एवं व्यक्तित्व विकास केंद्रे सहायक अध्यापकः अस्मि। मम विशेषज्ञता संस्कृत भाषा, संस्कृत साहित्यं, संस्कृत व्याकरणं, भारतीय दर्शन शास्त्रं, भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा एवं हिंदू अध्ययनम् अस्ति।
Namaskar, I am Professor Subhash Kumar. I teach holistic education, value-added courses in the Center of Health, Culture and Personality Development. I welcome you all.
नमस्कार, मैं विश्वास रावल, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात. I teach रामायण, महाभारत and value-added courses in CHCPD, Central University of Gujarat.
નમસ્કાર, જય દ્વારકાધીશ. મારું નામ ચિંતક પીપળિયા, હિન્દુ અધ્યયનમાં પીએચડીનો વિદ્યાર્થી છું. હું સુરત, ગુજરાતથી છું. હિન્દુ અધ્યયનનો પાઠ્યક્રમ માત્ર વેદ, ઉપનિષદ, પુરાણ, દર્શન સુધી સીમિત નથી, પરંતુ એ સંપૂર્ણ ભારતીય વૈજ્ઞાનિક જીવન દ્રષ્ટિ છે. આ પાઠ્યક્રમના માધ્યમથી પ્રાચીન જ્ઞાનને આધુનિક સંદર્ભમાં સમજી શકીએ છીએ. તો આવો ભારતીય હિન્દુ સંસ્કૃતિને જાણીએ અને માણીએ.
नमस्कार, हिंदू धर्म सिर्फ एक परंपरा नहीं, एक वैश्विक फेनोमेना है। मैं जतिन खन्ना, जोधपुर, राजस्थान से अपनी पीएचडी में इसी गहरे सामाजिक और दार्शनिक प्रभाव का विश्लेषण कर रहा हूँ।
I am a PhD scholar in Hindu Studies at the Central University of Gujarat. The subject of Hindu Studies provides us an excellent opportunity to understand our civilization and our culture from an insider's perspective.
Hello everyone, my name is Lucy Kumari. I am a second year student of MA in Hindu Studies in the Central University of Gujarat, and my dissertation topic is a comparative study of family discourse in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिवानी कुमारी है। मैं बिहार से हूँ। मैं एमए हिंदू स्टडी फर्स्ट ईयर की छात्रा हूँ। मैं यहाँ वेद, पुराण और महाभारत साइंटिफिक रीजन से पढ़ने आई हूँ।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम गुरप्रीत सिंह है। मैं सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात के सेंटर फॉर हेल्थ, कल्चर एंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट के स्टूडेंट हूँ। हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का कोर सब्जेक्ट वैदिक ट्रेडिशन, संस्कृत परिचय और प्रमाण सिद्धांत है।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रिंस कुमार है। मैं एमए हिंदू स्टडीज़ के सेकेंड ईयर का छात्र हूँ। मैं अपने डिसर्टेशन में भारत के हिंदू मंदिर का अध्ययन कर रहा हूँ।
So friends, I hope you like the short journey of Hindu studies in Central University of Gujarat. Being based in Delhi and studied from Delhi University, I now realize that I made the right choice. Other than theoretical learning, my research aptitude has also well developed, which is evident from my master dissertation titled Rishikas in the Vedic. We also made the right choice. Thank you.